How to use Facebook collection. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use Facebook collection save option. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll get a more informative videos every day. So guys, you have to go to Play Store and then you have to search for Facebook here. So after searching for Facebook, you have to update your Facebook as I always recommend you. So guys, after updating your Facebook, let me just go inside the Facebook, and then here you have to click on these 3 days on the top right of your screen. Now here you can see, scroll down, and here you will find an option saved. So simply click on the saved option, and then here you will find organize your save item with term collections. So if you want to create a collection, simply click on create collection, and then you have to write the collection RN DOMTECH. Now here you will find three options: public, friends, contributors only, only me. So you can select any of these. If you wanna go for public, then everyone will see your collection. If you wanna go for friends, only your Facebook friend will be see. Contributors only, then it's up to you to whom you wanna invite to see your collections. Only me, that means nobody would ever see your collection. So let me just go for only me for now. So just click on create option. So here you can see I have successfully created one collection. So if you want to create more, you have to simply click in create and you can create. Now go back and I will show you something here. So if you want to save this post, then what you have to do, simply click on these 3 days on the top right, and you can see here save post. Simply click on save post, and then here you can see just select this, and then your post has been selected. Let me just go to these 3 days and click on save option, scroll down, and here you can see your collection is post. So guys, in this way you can use selection on Facebook. Thanks for watching. I hope this video will absolutely help you out for collection your photo on Facebook. And if you like the video, please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll get a more informative videos every day. Thanks for watching.